Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, I'm excited to show you the best electric pressure washer you can get your hands on right now. Say hello to the Powrite P264K electric pressure washer. So stay with us as we break down its features, pros, cons, and whether it's worth your money. Let's get started. Product features: powerful cleaning performance. Let's begin with what matters most: cleaning power. The Powrite P264K delivers a massive maximum pressure of 4,500 psi, making it a powerhouse for blasting away dirt, mold, oil, and grime on driveways, patios, vehicles, and more. The high-efficiency copper core motor ensures consistent performance while keeping energy use efficient. Whether you're doing routine outdoor cleaning or tackling a tough job, this washer is more than up for the task. Multiple nozzles and foam cannon. Next, versatility. This unit comes with 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles that let you switch between spray angles for light rinsing to intense scrubbing. Need to clean your car? You'll love the included foam cannon, which produces thick, dense foam when used with detergent. Perfect for lifting away stubborn grease and grime with ease. Smart storage and compact design. A great pressure washer shouldn't be a storage headache. Fortunately, this model is packed with smart storage features like a hose reel, spray gun rack, foam cannon holder, and power cord hook. Everything stays organized and tidy, and the compact design makes it easy to tuck away in a garage or shed without taking up much space. Extended reach and water flexibility. Now let's talk about reach. The 20-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord give you plenty of mobility to clean larger areas without constantly unplugging or moving the unit. Whether you're washing the far end of your driveway or reaching up to clean a second-story wall, this washer gives you room to move. Even better, it can draw water from a standard tap or a bucket, making it flexible for different setups and situations. Pros: 4,500 psi max pressure for tough cleaning tasks. Includes 4 nozzles and a foam cannon for versatile use. Built-in safety features like total stop system and overheating protection. Compact with excellent storage features. Long hose and power cord for wide reach. Can draw water from a tap or bucket. Cons: might be overpowered for very light cleaning tasks. Foam cannon may need frequent refills during long washes. A bit loud at full power, though typical for this class. Final thoughts. So, is the Powrite P264K electric pressure washer worth it? Absolutely. It combines power, safety, versatility, and compact design into one impressive package. Whether you're a homeowner looking to keep your property spotless or a DIYer with serious cleaning needs, this pressure washer delivers excellent performance and value. Make sure to check the price link in the description, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Product for more honest and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.